Hi friends, this is Nagesha. Welcome to my channel ITbot143. In this tutorial, I will show how to add our name in Windows Desktop, right-click menu and linking favorite image to our name using registry editor in Windows 7. Open run command by pressing Windows R keys on your keyboard and please type res edit. In the registry editor, expand HK classes root, scroll down and select directory, expand directory, expand background, expand shell. To add our name in the right click menu, we need to create a key. Right click on shell and please select new key. Rename this key with your name. Now come to desktop, right click on desktop. Here we will get our name. If we select the name, we will get this file does not have a program associated with it. For performing this action, click OK. Now I want to add this photo opened in picture manager to my name. For this we need to add the Microsoft Picture Manager path. So come to registry editor, right click on cherry, select new key, please name it as command. In the right panel, double click on default. In the value data, we need to add the path of MS Office Picture Manager. To know the path, come to C drive, open program files 32-bit, open Microsoft Office, open Office 12, scroll down, and here you will get OS application. Let's open this. It will open Microsoft Office Picture Manager. Copy this path, come to registry editor. In the value data, please paste that. Again type backslash, please type os.exe. Again we need to add the picture path. Come to my computer. In D drive I have copied the picture in copy data folder. Now select this path, come to registry editor, space, paste that, backslash, please type file name with the extension. OK. Now close this. Now come to desktop, right click and please select cherry. It is direct to our picture. Like this we can add our name in Windows Desktop right click menu and linking image to our name using registry editor in Windows 7. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on like button and please share this video with your friends. And please visit my channel ITbot143 to watch more latest uploaded videos, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Have a nice day.